welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you are doing very well, and today we are going to talk about the very important topic is goal. We will understand the topic goal. What is the goal? Should I focus on my goal? If yes, then why should I focus on my goal? If I know the reason why should I focus on my goal, then we will understand how to focus on to achieve the goal. So we will cover everything, these questions what I have told you. So I hope from this video you will clear your mind to achieve your goal, why you should achieve your goal, and how you should focus on to achieve your goal. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So guys, first we will understand what is the goal, then we will cover more questions. In my opinion, in simple word, I would like to say that goal is something like that you want to achieve in your life, or a target you aim to reach. It's like a destination to reach your goal, to reach your journey, and the goal can be short, small or big. And it's just like a getting grade in your school, learning to play instrument, starting a new business, traveling a new places. It can be anything. Your goal can be anything. Having a goal gives you a sense of direction and the purpose, and I would like to say that it helps you to stay focused to achieve your goal and to work towards making your goal, your dream come true. This is the goal definition. And we have understood very well that what is the goal. Here the question raises, and I am going to move forward the question, should I focus on my goal? If yes, then how and why? The thing is, if I ask the question, should I focus on my goal? So yes, we should focus on my goal. You should focus on your goal, because focusing on your goal to stay on track and work towards making your dream a reality. And it helps you motivated, organized, determined to overcome obstacles in your life. By concentrating on your goal, you increase your chances of success and fulfillment in your life. When you focus on your goal, what you want to achieve, you just stay focused to achieve, and you work towards making your dream come true. So yes, we should focus on to achieve our goal. Okay. Here the question arises, if I focus on my goal, then why should I achieve my goal? Why should I focus on my goal? If I would like to say that yes, you should focus on your goal, because it brings you happiness and fulfillment in your life. When you achieve your goal, you feel proud and you feel fulfillment, you feel satisfied with yourself. It's just like a dream come true in your life. So I would like to say yes, focus on your goal, achieve your goal, make your mind to achieve your goal, because achieving your goal, you can increase your opportunity in your future life. It can lead you a better life and more opportunities. So go for it and make your dreams come true. Now I think you must understood very well why should you achieve your goal. Here the question arises again, how should we achieve our goal? How should I focus on my goal to achieve my goal? So we are going to learn how to stay focused and make our goal come true. I would like to say, first set your goal. When you clear your goal, when you are already set your goal, what you want to achieve in your life, you have to do one thing. First, make sure your goal should be very clear, very specific. Take your notebook and write it down, because if you write it down about your goal, you will never forget what do you want to achieve in your life. When you write it down everything, you start focusing on your goal, you start working towards achieving your goal. Okay, so first set your goal. Your goal should be very clear, very specific, and if you are forgetting person, if you easily forget everything, so please you can write it down in a notebook so that you can never forget your goal. Choose your priorities. Think about what's important to you in your life. If you want to achieve this goal, this is important or not for your future life. Focus on a few goals at a time, and big goals can seem very scary. So I would like to say, break them into a simple task. Break them into two pieces, like a simple task, and it makes them easier to handle your situation. If it makes you easier to achieve your goal, you will never scared to achieve. How we can achieve, how we can work on it. So break it into simple small pieces. Like sometimes, like one day you have to do this thing, and next day you have to do this thing, and next day you have to do this thing. It makes them very easier to achieve your goal, to handle how you can easily achieve. Make it very simple. And next, remove the distractions. Just like if you are interested to watch the reels, if you are interested to watch the movies, your TV, you do everything, you know it, you can do, and you do. Okay, remove the distractions. Just like find the quiet place to work, and get rid of these things which you are getting distracted, just like phone, TV, movies, Instagram, reels. Get rid of these things which you are getting distracted. Okay, use your time wisely. Set your goal, your day goal, and if you are not able to set your goal, you can make your schedule according the time. You can use Google Calendar and you can set your goal. Try to focus to work on your goal. Try to focus, work to achieve your goal. Try to avoid the distracting thing. When you achieve your goal, you will have more time to do many things, but this time you need to avoid the distracting things, and you need to focus to achieving your goal. Stick to the plan and do your best. Instead of wasting your time, you have to do your work. Okay, if you are focusing on your goal, if you are going to do work to achieve your goal, pay attention on it. Don't waste your time. Once you will achieve your goal, you will have more time to enjoy this journey. You need to focus on your goal, pay attention until you achieve your goal. A more important thing I would like to say, working hard is great, but breaks are essential too. Take short break to relieve your body and mind. This is also very important. Don't think that working hard is not important. Working hard so much important, but breaks are also essential. So don't forget to take essential chote. Don't forget to take small and little breaks so that you can relieve your body and your mind. This is also very important. And be positive. Stay happy and positive person. Just work on it. Believe in yourself. Believe in your goal. positive affirmations, positive person, positive things helps you to keep going. Okay, so stay focused and believe in yourself. You know, sometimes things might not work in a right way, and you think that I should give up. So don't give up. Okay, don't give up. You will definitely get your success. You will definitely achieve your goal. Just believe in yourself. Just stay focused on your work. Sometimes might not work the things, but it's not true. Don't give up. Okay, just focus on your work. If you need someone, ask someone you trust, and they encourage you, they trust you, they understand you, and they make you positive. So if you need any person's help, you can ask. Okay, but make sure that person should be trustful. So guys, in this video we have covered everything. What is the goal? Should I focus on the goal? Why should I focus on the goal? And how should I focus on the goal? We have covered everything in a very simple language, in a very simple word. And one more thing, if you not set your goal yet, so after watching this video, set your goal, do your work to achieve your goal, make your own goal, what you want to achieve, set your goal, and take my advice, adopt my advice. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, inspiring, or informative, so don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new over here. Please hit the like button if you are already my subscriber. Thanks watching my videos. And guys, I would like to one more thing. If you have any topic to make a video for my future videos, you can suggest me right in the comment box. I will try to make the video on your topic. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, I will love your comment. I like your comment. I read your comment. So don't forget to leave the comment if you liked this video. So please tell me by writing in the comment box what you like and what you didn't like. So that I can understand what you exactly want from my video. And we will meet. I will see you in the next video. We will meet in the next video. Till then,